Ever wonder why some Python methods look like this? Double underscores before and after the name. These aren't typos. They're Dunder methods, and they're fundamental to how Python works. Dunder is short for double underscore. When you see a method name wrapped in two underscores on each side, like underscore underscore init underscore underscore, or underscore underscore stru underscore underscore, that's a Dunder method. The double underscores signal that this method has special meaning to Python. These are sometimes called magic methods because Python calls them automatically behind the scenes. You don't invoke them directly. Instead, Python uses them internally to implement core language features. When you create an object, use an operator, or call a built-in function, Python is looking for the right Dunder method to execute. They're the contract between your class and Python's runtime. One powerful use is operator overloading. Want to add two of your custom objects with the plus sign? Define underscore underscore add underscore underscore. Want to compare them with less than? That's underscore underscore lt underscore underscore. When you call built-in functions like len or stir on your object, Python looks for underscore underscore len underscore underscore or underscore underscore stir underscore underscore. This is how Python lets you make custom classes behave like built-in types. Let's look at the most common ones. Underscore underscore init underscore underscore is the constructor called when you create an instance. Underscore underscore stir underscore underscore defines the string representation for users. Underscore underscore reaper underscore underscore provides a debugging representation. Underscore underscore len underscore underscore returns the length. And underscore underscore add underscore underscore implements addition. Each one hooks into a specific Python behavior. Remember, Dunder methods are Python's special double underscore methods that let you customize how your objects interact with operators, built-in functions, and the language itself. Master these and you unlock Pythonic design. Practice implementing them in your next class. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.